Market is absolutely buzzing right now. You've got stocks, Bitcoin, crypto, altcoins, everything moving towards the upside. Guys, welcome to the Bitfunded channel. Today we're starting a new series which is called as Let's Get You Funded by one and only your host Kapoor. Now for the people who do not know me, I've been trading the financial markets from last 6 years. I've been trading equities, commodities as well as crypto. I'm a CMT level 1 and an NSE certified trader. My main aim is to make sure that I get you funded and I educate you regarding everything in risk management and prop firms. Recently got a payout as well, $3,000. Now, $3,000 does not seem a big amount, but imagine if you're able to do this every single month with someone else's money. And this is what Bitfunded provides you. If you're a good trader, if you're able to manage risk, they will fund you and they will make sure that they give you money for trading. And that is exactly what every single trader wants in the market, right? I've got multiple Bitfunded accounts, and in those multiple Bitfunded accounts, I've got a lot of positions running as well. For example, this Zcash trade, which is up 30%, and in the other account, I've got Nvidia and Tau. Now, these are all in profits right now, but it's not like this all the time. We do face losses, but we need to make sure that we are managing our risk properly, and we are also journaling every single trade. Journaling remains one of the most important things in trading. I journal every single month. Look at this sheet. December, January, February, until August 2026. I've been journaling every single trade. Why? So that I do not repeat the same mistake. And I want you guys to journal every single trade as well. Now, guys, what I'm going to do is I'm going to be showing you my watch list, my current watch list, and you can buy the Bitfunded account. You can buy the Bitfunded account via the below link. Make sure that you're using my link so that you get the best offer. And when you get the account, we'll come here every single day and we will trade the financial markets. We'll trade crypto, equities, as well as commodities. And also, guys, please smash the like button. We want to make sure that we're educating every single person who's watching this video, and we want the reach to be optimal. Let's go. So my watch list is pretty simple. What I do is I go here at all, which is it has crypto, commodities, as well as TradFi, and then I create stars, which are my favorites. And in my favorites, I've got a couple of tokens, tickers, for example, Bitcoin, some altcoins, Solana, ETHFI, Hyperliquid Pump Fund, then oil, and then stocks, which is SpaceX, Nvidia, and the index S&P 500. Doesn't matter what you trade, you can do it on Bitfunded, guys. So I'm going to quickly make this full screen and I'm going to show you the first thing, which is Bitcoin. Bitcoin is currently depressed. It is in this massive range, 77-day long range. And right now, the BB width, which is the Bollinger Bandwidth, is at the bottom as well. Whenever BB width has been at the bottom, there has been a massive expansion in the markets. For example, look, February 2025, BB width was sitting at the bottom and the price moved 24%. Similarly, in July 2025, price moved 13%. And then in January 2026, price went down 37%. So similarly, whenever BB width come to the bottom, there is a massive expansion in the markets towards either side. This means that there will be volatility, and traders actually love volatility, guys. So Bitcoin is compressing right now, but we should be looking for trades, and we are actually looking for trades. The first trade I want to show you is ETHFI. ETHFI is one of the best tokens, and I want to chart this in front of you so that you can learn as well on how to chart things. What I'm going to do is I'm going to take the horizontal ray from here. This is called the horizontal ray, and I'm going to put it here. Why? Because there is a lot of demand in this area. Look at this. This is a beautiful resistance here. This is a beautiful resistance here as well. And I'm going to just make it double because this is a nice range. Now, we can also see how this is a left shoulder. It's a head over here, and this is the right shoulder. For the people who understand technical analysis, this is a proper inverse head and shoulder pattern, which has already broken out, and right now it's coming for the retest, and retest is the best place to trigger the trade. What you need to do is you just want to wait for a consolidation for a couple of candles, and then the continuation is going to give you profits. So breakout, retest, and continuation towards the upside. This is what we are looking forward to, guys. You can set a limit order as well, but for this position, we're not going to set a limit order. Why? Because we are waiting for some kind of consolidation here before the continuation towards the upside. Now, ETHFI is a really good token fundamentally as well. Why? Because last Thursday, they had an investors call, and in that investors call, they came out and said that they're going to be doing buybacks, which are going to be programmatic. Revenue from the products across the ecosystems can automatically flow into ETHFI buybacks. This is what you want to see. Their revenue is increasing, up 3.7%. Their fees is going up. Their TVL, which is total value locked in the chain is up 11.1% in the last 30 days, which is why the price is also moving towards the upside. The best trade, in my opinion, is going to be some consolidation at this 0.46 level. And that is a very simple trade, guys. So this is the first trade I wanted to talk about. I'm going to be taking this on Bitfunded. Again, if you want the Bitfunded account, if you want the best deal, the link is in the description. Use that and get the best deal, guys. The next chart I want to show you guys is Pump Fund. Pump Fund is right now moving towards the upside, and it has been expanding from last 1 month. A lot of reasons, a lot of fundamental reasons. We're going to be talking about that as well. But if you actually chart this, it's in this consolidation at the moment. And this consolidation is a really good one. What I'm going to do is I'm going to also add a trend line over here. This trend line is a beautiful one because it's been respecting this line for a long time now. And what you want is, for if Pump Fund actually comes here and breaks out, then this is going to be a beautiful trade. And if Pump Fund comes to this level, this support, which is going to be the horizontal level support here of this channel is a beautiful one as well, then it can be a long position once again. So I am looking for Pump Fund as a trade. And the best part about Pump Fund is that they are doing buybacks, and the buybacks are bullish. The best part, currently the buyback balance has actually gone above the acquisition cost for the first time in a long time. Since September 2025, it was below, and right now it has gone towards the upside. And this is the kind of fundamental thesis we want to see, and this is the kind of trade we want to take. So these are two trades that I talked about in crypto, which is ETHFI and Pump Fund. The third chart I want to show you guys is Solana. Solana is looking really good. I'm going to just show you the chart, and I'm going to show you the levels as well. Look at this, guys. This is a beautiful resistance over here, and at the same time I've got the support as well. Now all we want to do is tag this support. Anything at 74.5 to 74.6 is a nice trade, in my opinion. I've already given this trade on the real account. You can see it in my journal as well. Look at this Solana running from 74.5. I've already taken some profits as well. Now if it comes back to the support, in my opinion, it's a very good trade. You can also see how there is a trend line over here which is rejecting the price right now, and the breakout of this trend line is going to be super bullish for Solana. You can use the moving averages as well. For example, if I put MA10 and MA30, the crossover has already happened for MA10 and MA30, which means that this is a bullish crossover and the price can continue towards the upside. All we want is the markets to actually behave. If the markets behave, this can continue towards the upside. Now I want to show you one more chart, guys, and that is SPY. SPY, which is the index S&P 500. Now S&P 500 is looking really good. Why? Because S&P 500 broke towards the upside, towards the all-time highs, and this is the level I'm looking forward to. I'm going to remove the moving averages just to make sure that the chart is clean. Now this is the level. This $758 is the level for me where I'm going to be taking the trade. The price is coming down. Look, I told you, breakout, retest, continuation towards the upside. These are the kind of trades we take. The breakout has already happened. Now we are waiting for the retest and then continuation towards the upside. This is an uptrend, and we have to play this according to an uptrend. Now S&P is going up because of two reasons: the earnings guidance, which is becoming better and better, and the capex as well. So in my opinion, this is going to be the perfect trade. I'm going to be setting the limit order in front of you guys over here at 758. So what we do is we go here, we set the limit order, not the market order, which is limit here, so that our fees is less, 758, and I do not risk more than 3% of my total capital. 3% is max. 5x leverage is perfect, and I put TP and stop loss later. So right now I'm showing you how to put the position. You just press buy long and confirm. So what's going to happen is here you're going to see the SPY long position at 758 and everything sorted. Then you can put your stop loss as well as take profits. Now how I'm going to be taking my stop loss and take profits here, you just go here, take the long position tool and put it here where you're going to take the position. And simple, you go to $800, which is going to be the max profit, 5%, and you just put this around this level. Why? Because you're focusing on the risk reward ratio, which shows 3.76, which means if you're losing 1, you're winning 3.76. This is a very good risk reward ratio. In my opinion, the risk reward ratio should be around 3 is to 1. 3 is to 1 is perfect. So you're losing 1.75%, but you're winning 5.62%. And this is the trade I'm taking. Already put it here, guys. No financial advice. Make sure you're doing your own research. But if you have any questions, put it in the comment section. I'm going to be answering all of them. Don't worry about it. Nice. So moving ahead, the final chart I want to show you is go to my favorites and hyperliquid. Hyperliquid is one of the best charts at the moment. On 1 day time frame, I'm going to show you the trend line which you should be looking forward to, guys. This trend line is running from January 2026 over here, and currently it has given 1, 2, 3 and 4 taps over here. Look at this higher time frame, 4 taps over here in January, and then in February as well, and then in May, and then in August. Beautiful, beautiful. Now you go on lower time frames and you just focus on this ascending triangle, which I'm going to show you. Ascending triangle is usually a bullish continuation pattern. And look at this. I'm going to create the horizontal ray over here like this, and you already have the line sorted, which is the mini trend line over here. So you've got this ascending triangle, right? Ascending triangle breakout has already happened. Now the way you take this trade is super easy, which is let the price come towards the downside for the retest. Breakout, retest, continuation. Same thing that we use for every single trade. This is my strategy. In the next episodes, I'm going to be showing you the strategy in detail. The long position is going to be something like this. You take the position until, let's say, this resistance, which is 10%. So you have to make sure your risk reward ratio is around 3. And this is what you're focusing on. Your stop loss is going to be around 3.23% if you're taking this trade. No financial advice, guys, but this is how you put limits. This is how you take trades. This is how you journal every single thing. So I'm going to be coming here in this series. I'm going to be showing you how to take trades, how to properly look at the charts, and I want you to just communicate with me via comments. I'm going to be doing live soon as well. Live trading, that is my main aim, guys. We will be funded. We want to make sure that we are making money via someone else's money. That is the most important thing, and Bitfunded wants that as well. Bitfunded wants more and more people to be funded so that they can be making money together. Now guys, I'm going to see you later. It was an amazing video, the first video. If you liked it, if you enjoyed it, press the like button, comment below, and let's go.